Good morning, good morning, good morning. It is our final day at Disneyland today. We're going to do Disneyland Park. It's 6:30 in the morning. It opens at 7 for early morning magic. We're going to head straight there. We're going to try and do Millennium Falcon. We're going to try and pilot it. Then we're going to try and knock off what we haven't done today. That's Snow White, that's Alice. We haven't done Autopia, we haven't done Winnie the Pooh, we haven't done Splash Mountain. It's not going to rain today. Then we're going to pick up the car, ready for tomorrow, bring it back to the hotel, maybe get changed, go back to Olga's Canteen, and then see the fireworks. It's going to be a good night, and going to be a good day. Final day in Disneyland. A little bit sad, but you know what? We've had a great time. And that's the queue for early morning magic. Good morning. Thank you. So the only thing open at the moment is Tomorrowland and Fantasyland. So we're going to do an Alice ride because it's got some really good projection stuff. So we've done Pinocchio, we've done Snow White, we've done Toad, we've done Alice. Now we are waiting for the gates to open so we can head down, do Star Wars, get a Ronto wrap, maybe some popcorn, and we've got Indiana Jones to do. Very exciting. 2 minutes to go. And then the rush starts. And here we go.
That's the one that's my first ride.
Left hand side for the Falcon. Left hand side for the Falcon. Chewbacca!
Cantina's. So I've just walked on, I've just started a stopwatch. This is now 8:03. We've got straight on from the gate. Let's see how long it takes. And this time I'll actually remember to stop the stopwatch when we get our card.
Hello, hello, my friends. I am Hondo Onaka.
You got any purple credentials here?
Those heavy dice are protecting the train. Take them out! They've locked onto us. Take evasive action! Now, gunners, shoot the cargo free! Left pilot, reel us in! Gunners, shoot the train! The cargo is ready. Keep shooting! Good job, my friend!
And we piloted it, and it worked. Well, we didn't crash that much. Okay, it's now 35-minute standby time, and it took us, what, about 4 minutes. Now it's time for a run-to wrap. So our Tatooine sunset, or sunrise, or whatever, and this is our morning run-to wrap. Heather's got some water with a Star Warsy font, and there's hardly any crowds because everybody's queuing already for the Falcon. We have battered Batu, we have been to the outpost, and we have eaten breakfast. We've done the ride because that one's not open yet for another few months. And then now it's time to go do something a little bit closer to home. We're going to do Winnie the Pooh. Beware, beware. 9 o'clock in the morning. Been here 2 hours. We've done so much.
We have?
We've just done Haunted Mansion because we managed to get a quick fast pass. Before that we did Winnie the Pooh. Before that we did Millennium Falcon. We had some breakfast. We've done Toad. We've done Snow White. We've done Alice. Yeah, we've got a lot done. And the park's still out. They're really busy, so Paris has a 5-minute wait. So we're going to do that. And then we've got a fast pass that was for Indiana Jones. That's down, so we can use it on pretty much anything. And then it's time to get another one. Straight on. That's the literal definition of a walk on. Straight through the gates, and the boat was there waiting for us.
The proper place, but keep a weather eye open, please.
Feathers, dears. Show them your flock.
Hey, sending him to Davy Jones. It's the run they want.
I raise a toast to one of my many shipmates lost at sea. Salute. As indeed.
Indiana Jones time. Now we had a fast pass for this, and then it went down. So then that turns into multiple experiences, which we can use any time during the day. So I'm going to save that for later, because standby is only 10 minutes. If there's nothing you want to go on at the moment in time and you've got a fast pass available, it's always worth getting a fast pass for Indiana Jones, just because it goes down so often. Then you can use it later when it becomes a multiple experience. And Indiana Jones is a good ride.
And then suddenly you are turning sharply and dropping suddenly. It is unlike anything you have ever experienced, I assure you.
9:40 AM and we have hit the morning hard. Just got off Indiana Jones after doing Pirates. I think we're going to head over to Tomorrowland now. Maybe do Buzz again. I think we've got a fast pass for Space. And then at some point get the train and have a bit of relax. Maybe think about a bit of lunch. Because Disney's all about the food. Buzz Lightyear. The 5-minute wait. Buzz is done. Still not Galactic Hero. Got, I think it was what, 5 million or 500,000, I can't remember how many zeros there are. So a little bit disappointed with myself, to be honest. But, you know, you do what you can. Next up is, what's next up? Space Mountain. So it's actually a game you can play in the queue on the Play app. But because we've never actually queued for this, we've never used FastPass, we've never played it. But you can also, once you win the game, you can buy a pin badge. to say I've won the game. We're going to do some Autopia, 15-minute wait. Might as well while we're here. You gonna drive? Woo! That's Heather's car there. Don't bomb. As if I'd bump my wife. See, this feels normal, this side of the car. That's what we want. Thank you. Oh, sorry. Man, bumped her. And in a few hours I'm going to pick up my car, ready for a long drive tomorrow to Magic Mountain, and it's not going to be anything like this. Look how smooth this is. You've got no one indicating and then stopping and then moving into your lane. Going closer. This is American driving. Traffic jams. At least everybody's staying in the lane. Have you driven your first car in America? What do you think?
It was okay.
Yeah? Any bumps? Yeah?
Yeah.
Nope, didn't hit you all. Time to go on the train. Boop, boop. And we're here. We've got about 10 minutes until the train comes. We're going to do a full lap on the train, then we're going to get the monorail to downtown Disney, get a spot of lunch, because although it's only like 10:30 at the moment, we've been up since 6. We're getting quite hungry. Maybe do a little bit of shopping in downtown Disney, head to California Adventure, do Monsters Inc. and maybe a few other things, get the car, come back. Then we've got August Cantina tonight, and then we've got the fireworks, and then sleep. It's going to be a long day.
Where are you guys from? We love their accent. They're from England. England, oh yeah.
World of the future to the breathtaking beauty of nature's own design, the Grand Canyon.
Once again, folks, please disable any flash on your cameras or pictures. No flash photography inside the tunnel.
That was the Grand Canyon as we know it today. We'll be on our way again in just a few minutes. This is Main Street Station.
It's time to queue for the monorail. Here we go. We are on monorail. We've got downtown Disney. Let's enjoy the ride with us.
Disneyland
a little pit stop here for chicken burger for me. I wasn't going to get a milkshake, but $17. $17 for a milkshake, that's a lot of money. So I didn't get one. Instead I got a refill drink. $17. So I ordered a chicken burger, pretty standard. We ordered some teriyaki broccoli, because why not try it? And here they got the salad. What the hell is that? Good luck with that salad. Healthy eating. Just having our picture taken in front of the train station. We're nipping in to have a selfie in front of the castle, because my intention is to get a picture in front of all the castles in the next 12 months. Yay! Probably one of the most expensive pictures I'm going to take, other than my wedding photo. Yeah. Just had our pictures taken in front of the castle, and we are going to head towards DCA to go on Monsters Inc. Mission Breakout and get some macaroons. Yeah. For what I think will be the final time this holiday, we are entering Disney California Adventure. For the Festival of Holidays, Yep. Let's go a little bit faster, because let's try and beat them.
Okay.
Just on our way to Mission Breakout, and who do we see? It's Groups. Didn't see that. We are gonna go to do the Monsters ride. There's Spider-Man there. Captain Marvel maybe around here. Oh no, Captain America. That's a lot of queue for this ride. Thank you.
While you're in town, be sure to...
We interrupt this program for a special report. A child is on the loose in Monstropolis.
Happy birthday, Schmoozy Poo!
Oh, googly bear!
Hit it quick!
Oh, boo, we gotta get you home.
There's a kid here! A human kid!
Come on, this way.
Hi, hey, we're nice! Yeah, nothing exciting, yeah, we're happy!
Hurry up, Sully, hurry up! I've got Pooh's door set up on the scare floor.
You done your school?
Race you to the scare floor. They'll never find her door now. We're almost there, kiddo.
Welcome to the Himalayas!
I love you, kiddo.
Good night, boo.
Kitty!
Kitty's gotta go now. Sleep time.
Unusual here today, did you? You never saw a human child in Monstropolis. It never happened.
It's time for the animation building. And here you can do Turtle Talk with Crush, you can meet Anna and Elsa, or you can do a little bit of animation, or you can go to the gift shop. We have 2 more vouchers left on our sip and save, so let's work out what we're going to buy. Heather's going straight in with the pecan pie churro. Let's see what that is. Wow, that is that's something. We are saying goodbye to California Adventure. It has been a wonderful time, but we're going to go pick up the car and then spend the evening across the road in Disneyland Park. We have done every attraction that we wanted to do, sometimes multiple times. Ate a lot of food. Met up with some friends. We're having a good time, haven't we? Was that a bit more enthusiastic?
Yes.
You know, a lot of people ask, and when I say a lot of people, I mean 3. Like, do you force Heather to be on these? No, I don't. I don't, honest. So Disneyland is going to be very busy tonight. There's California Adventures closed for a cast member party, which is fine. You know, you've got to reward cast members. You've got to say thank you. They create the experiences. They create this. Without them, it's just a bunch of rides. Even the benches are themed. Time to pick up a car. So I picked up the car. Here we are. Looking good. Automatic, so, you know, it does the driving. Gonna try and get it to the hotel, park it up, and then we are gonna drop off the stuff, get back to Disney. Woohoo! Do not adjust your YouTube. It is dark outside. It is manic. We are in Disneyland because California's Adventures closed for a cast member night. We are making our way to UKDisDad Cantina. It is 5:30. We have a 6 p.m. reservation, and we're gonna try and make it through all these people. I'm using the screen right now to see that's behind me. I can't see it. If I've lost her, she knows where to go, I think. Oh my god. We've lost Heather. Heather is gone. The question is, do we go back for her? Or do we carry on? I think she wants me to carry on. I found her. So what do you think is going to happen tonight, Hev?
I think it could quieten down. Well,
yeah?
Be a bit less hectic than what we've just seen.
Yeah?
I think a lot of that was due to the parade.
Yeah? So you think school night... Where have you gone?
Yeah.
So you think school night...
It's a school night, so probably local people will take the children home in
yeah.
a few hours.
And the cast that aren't working will probably be at the party anyway, so not here. That's a good theory. I like it.
It's still like a good idea.
Yeah.
But not as bad as we've seen it.
Yeah. Well, I hope you're right. But that is a good, solid theory. It is a Thursday night and people do have school and work tomorrow. And not us. Oh no. Tell you what, Batu doesn't have any maps. Just getting lost. So this is the non-alcoholic drinks and some food, which we're probably not going to get. Heather's going to go for the Jabba juice. You can have a maximum of 2 drinks and you get 45 minutes, and you're probably going to be sharing. These are the alcoholic ones. I'm probably going to go for that one because everybody said. I am not going for that one because it's 85 credits. That one's 45 because you get souvenir glasses, and I've got enough crap like that at home. Okay, not how would I even get that home? I have no idea. Anyway, I haven't decided on the second drink yet. Let's wait till we get in there.
We're looking for a resistance spy. So neither is on the move. Genius codebreaker.
Here we go. Oh, this is busy.
So you guys are going to be right here?
Right. Yeah. So I've not got to inhale mine or get it on my nose. Noted.
Okay, meantime, here's an alien that's on all of our lists. Galactic Diva, Gaia!
Yep. Oh. Well, that's weird. Yeah, I can feel it. Alright, that's weird on my tongue. I'm gonna try some. That is weird. Thank you. Disneyland 2 time. What are you going for?
Carbon freeze.
What's in that?
Powerade, lemon pie, wild strawberry, blueberry and green apple popsicles.
There's no way you've heard that. It's quite a nice atmosphere. I think if you were with like friends and things like that, it'd be really good. But when you're with your wife that you've been with for 2 weeks straight, and you've got nothing to talk about, it's all right. It's easier if we just go on rides. So that's Heather's. What is it called again?
Carbon freeze.
A carbon freeze, and mine's a yum nub. So let's have a test. There's the beer float. And you can just see, you get to keep that, but there's no way I'm getting that in my bag. That's ridiculous. There we go again. And just in case you missed a shop, there's one there. And Ogre's is done. And that is pretty much everything that you could do in Star Wars Galaxy's Edge for under $100. Apart from Docky Bay 7, we never got there. But yeah, we won't get to ride Resistance until we come back to Disney World in November next year for Wine and Dine. So that's it. That was good. I can see why the reaction has been, considering, you know, it's just a lot of shopping. A lot of shopping. Everywhere you look, it's more stuff to buy. I just think 12 hours ago we were waiting for these gates to open so that we could go to Galaxy's Edge. And now we are going through them again to go on Storybook Circus. So one of the things I have noticed with these videos is that this Disneyland trip specifically, I've been making a fair few mistakes that I wouldn't normally make. And part of the reason is that I just don't come to Disneyland as often. And part of the reason is that when I do something new, I try not to look at the internet, I try not to look at videos, I try and experience it myself for the first time. So I really wasn't aware of what the Smuggler's Run ride would be, or anything like that. I had a vague idea, but that's just it. The Star Wars bit is pure laziness, I just haven't got round to doing it, but I am going to watch them now. Probably going to watch them on the plane home. I've just got to decide, do I watch episode 1 to start with or episode 3? Who knows? We're doing the Storybook boat ride, and then we're going to go and do Buzz, we're going to do the Tiki Room, we're going to do Indy, and then it should be time for... And then it should be time for...
It's a Small World holiday.
And then it should be time for...
Fireworks.
Yeah, we're not going to get all of them in. A Small World holiday is 15 minutes.
Storyteller today aboard the Merryweather. Now, just for your safety, if everyone could please.
Here we go. Oh well.
And now safely across the way, you're going to find the 3 little pigs in one house made of straw, in the second made of sticks, and in that last house made of 100% wolf-proof bricks. Followed one line robin, and she followed him all the way down that rabbit hole. From that point on, her world just got curiouser. And first met John, Michael, and Wendy, and he ended up flying them all the way down to Neverland using faith, trust, and a little pixie dust. Agrabah is where not only did Aladdin steal that loaf of bread, but he also stole Princess Jasmine. Now, on Aladdin and Princess Jasmine's way over to see a whole new world, they passed by these very same rose arches where they soared over, under, and sideways on their magic carpet. And over to our left, underneath that waterfall, is where King Triton and all of Ariel's underwater friends live in Antarctica.
That's done. Now we are heading to Indiana Jones. Well, we are heading to Buzz Lightyear. Buzz is done, and I feel I've let myself down by not getting Galactic Hero once this trip. So we're going to fight our way through the main street hub. We're going to head over to do Indy, Jungle Cruise, and the Tiki Rooms before we find a spot for the fireworks. And then we say goodbye to Disneyland in 2019. So that is Indy done for the last time in 2019. You enjoy it?
Yeah, it's going very shaky.
Oh yes, it's rough. it's going for a refurb next year, which I think it needs. Our speaker cut out a few times, and there's a few effects that aren't as good as they should be. Some of them aren't working, but you know what? It's such a good ride. It's terrifying. Like, I was on that ride, and I was thinking, there is nothing Scarlett would like about this ride at all.
No.
It would just give her nightmares.
Yeah.
And you know what? Sometimes rides need that. Not every ride has to be good. You know, not every ride, I mean, it is good, but not every ride has to be Disney. Some things can be scary. What I think may be our final attraction for this trip, we're going to settle it down with Walt Disney's Tiki Room. Because why wouldn't you? It's a lovely song, lovely attraction, impressive animatronics for when they were created. You know, now, very tired, but you got to think about when this was here. Here we go. Hello. Wake up, Jose. One last ride tonight. It's the It's a Small World holiday. Let's get that done. We've got the fast pass that we got because Indy was down this morning that we never used. So we're going to use that on It's a Small World. It's like a 50-minute wait. Jump on there and then go and find somewhere for the fireworks. And that's it. It's been good. And here it is at night. I gotta admit, that is pretty damn impressive. It looks good. So we're here at It's a Small World for our final ride of the park. And we're not going to film any of it, we're just going to enjoy it together, and then we'll do a bit of the fireworks. So you can enjoy the queue, enjoy the building, and we'll see you after our cruise. That was an expensive day for them. 3 lightsabers, 3 droids. Woo! Not getting much change out of $1,000. Good night, Disneyland. Thank you for a good trip. And we'll see you soon. So we're sat here in the outside bit of the Disneyland Hotel, just admiring the gardens. While Heather books us an Uber back to our hotel because we've done a bit of shopping. All in all, a really, really good trip. So we're up bright and early tomorrow because we're going to get the car and take it to Magic Mountain. No idea what that's going to be like, no idea what they're going to let us film. So hopefully it'll be a good day tomorrow. And then, and then it's home to see our darling little child. I'm back to reality, back to work. All the fun and games because we've got to earn some money to do this again. So until tomorrow, good night, have fun.